When do you think that you think you can have those hours done by April the 12th, 2 weeks?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. On behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, in lieu of fines and costs, I'm gonna fine you, let's say this, based on that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. That is a 0-point offense. It's just a civil infraction. I call it akin to an expensive parking ticket, but in lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow her to do the 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, and I'm dismissing the other matter now for providing valid documentation. Call over there this afternoon, Ms. Mauricio, and set those hours up. You don't have to come back if you're on the list on April the 12th if you don't want to, but you're more than welcome to come back at 8:25, April the 12th to see it.
All right. Thank you. Yep. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day. Good luck to you.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. or with this is Mirandez Urares. I've given you an opportunity, ma'am, to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Bien, vamos a volver a Miranda Juárez. Señora, yo le di la oportunidad a usted de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada. Dígame, licenciado, ¿qué usted quiere hacer con su cliente?
Judge, we went over her rights and she wants to take that deal.
Su señoría, revisamos sus derechos constitucionales y ella quiere aprovecharse de esta oferta.
All right, that's what you want to do, Miss Miranda?
¿Y eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señora Miranda?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, levante la mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
All right, ma'am. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted, señora, que la pena máxima posible en su caso son 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absolutamente a tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Zoranic in the breakout room went over some of your other advice or rights, did he not?
Y el señor Sarana, cuando estaban ustedes hablando en la sala privada, revisó con usted algunos otros de sus derechos, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta con respecto a esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
¿Y sabe usted que usted va a renunciar a esos derechos cuando usted acepte esta oferta?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado y que conste en el acta?
No.
No.
Okay, I'm going to draw your attention back to February 28, 2023 at around 6:08 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodmere and Avis Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Approximately what time, Your Honor?
At approximately 6:58.
Thank you, Your Honor. Entonces, señora, quiero llamarle la atención a la fecha del 28 de febrero del 2023, aproximadamente a las 6:58 de la noche, en el área de las calles de Woodmere y Amos. ¿Tuvo usted la oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
On that date and time, ma'am, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Y ese día, en ese momento, señor, ¿iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
Yes.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y este policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia de conducir que estuviera vigente?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señora?
No.
No.
Why is that?
¿Y por qué razón?
Porque no tengo licencia, no la puedo sacar porque todavía no tengo el permiso de trabajo.
I don't have a license and I'm not able to get it yet because I don't have the permit.
Are you a United States citizen, ma'am?
¿Es usted ciudadana de los Estados Unidos, señora?
No.
No.
Very well. You understand that conviction for a misdemeanor offense can, you're not a United States citizen, can potentially implicate immigration issues?
¿Y comprende usted que una condena de un delito menor, si es que usted no es ciudadana de los Estados Unidos, puede causarle consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That is a misdemeanor. However, I will dismiss that upon completion of 12 hours of community service. That does not abstract to the Secretary of State, so it does not have any license implications. And as for the improper equipment, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsibly on your client's behalf, Counsel?
Bien,
Yes, Your Honor.
así que acepto la declaración de culpable del cargo modificado de que le permitió un chofer sin licencia a conducir. Es un delito menor por cual le pedimos 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Una vez que haya cumplido sus horas de servicio comunitario, este queda desestimado. Sépase que este cargo no se le va a divulgar a la secretaria del Estado, así que por ese lado no le perjudica. Ahora, con respecto al cargo de que llegaba equipo incorrecto, su abogado está dispuesto a estipular qué es lo que decía la boleta de infracción, si lo estipuló su señoría.
And we stipulate the probable cause on the dismissals, Judge.
Y nosotros vamos a estipular que hay causas razonables para desestimar su señoría.
All right, with that, I'm going to find your client responsible for the improper equipment. That is a 0-point offense as well as just a civil infraction. And in lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow her to do 6 hours of community service for a total of 18 hours of community service. And I'll dismiss the other matters now.
Bien, entonces voy a aceptar la declaración de responsable de su cliente a que tenía equipo incorrecto. Eso es 0 puntos en su licencia de conducir. Le voy a pedir que haga 6 horas de servicio comunitario en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas. En total, le voy a pedir 18 horas de servicio comunitario. Y con respecto a los otros cargos que ella tenía, los voy a quitar en este momento, quedan desestimados en este momento.
All right, I need a good phone number from you, ma'am.
Necesito, señora, que me dé un buen número de teléfono para usted.
313-778-8566.
All right, 313-778-8566.
Perfect, Your Honor.
All right, I need her to contact the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon at Trace 8799-2155. I'll set her review date for April the 26th, 2023 at 8:25. If she doesn't have any further questions, then she and her friend back there can have a very good day and good luck too, all right?
Bien, así que el número que le he dado es el 313-879-2155. Este es el número del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. Necesito que usted los llame esta misma tarde para que hagan los arreglos para las horas de servicio comunitario. Vamos a revisar su caso el 26 de abril a las 8:25 de la mañana. Necesito que comparezca este día para revisar su caso.
¿Sí me puede repetir el número de teléfono, por favor?
Yes, and could you repeat that phone number again, please?
313-879-2155.
313-879-2155.
Ok.
Y si no tiene usted alguna otra pregunta, entonces usted, y creo que veo un amigo o amiga que tiene usted con usted, pueden ya irse.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Le deseo buen día, señora.
Igualmente. Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you and thank you so much.
All right, Mr. Rodrigo Martinez.
Señor
I
Rodrigo
like how you guys, I
Yes.
like how you guys seamlessly switched roles for a minute with the interpretation.
I'm just
That was
following
good.
I'm just following Miss Villarue's lead. She's the expert. Just trying to piece my Spanish together every Wednesday.
You're doing well.
Yes, he is.
Trying to do the numbers, but I gotta get to the rest of the stuff. Okay, Mr. Rodrigo Martinez.
Yes, sir.
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Rodrigo Martinez, case number SP 1394640, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3, SP 1394641, SP 1435589, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Martinez, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir.
State your name, Mr. Martinez, please.
Oh, Rodrigo Martinez.
Judge, he's here today for arraignment on a bench warrant. We're asking that the warrant be set aside and a personal bond be put in place.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Martinez, are you a United States citizen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you have a license?
I currently don't have a license because I have some unpaid tickets that I just filed an appeal because the officer didn't give me a chance to show him my proof of insurance because I had to pull it up with my phone, and he just gave right ahead and gave me my tickets.
All right. I'm gonna listen. Write this case number down, please.
Okay.
13.
213.
No, 3. I mean, strike that. What is it? SAP uno, tres, nueve, cuatro, seis, cuatro, zero, dos. You don't
Sorry.
speak
Sorry, Your Honor.
All right.
I'm better than
Yes.
English a little bit.
Oh,
Very good.
he's better in
SP,
English, Your Honor.
very well. SP 139-464-02.
4602. Okay.
So SP 139-464-02.
SP 43 what?
No, SP 139
SP 139 46
464
464.
02.
Yes.
You're gonna come down to the courthouse, bring $45 with you, and pay the reinstatement fee up front on that case. Pay reinstatement fee up front, $45. It'll be in the computer. You bring that money to the cashier. You wait 48 to 72 hours. After you pay that, and then you go to the Secretary of State and start the process of getting your license, okay?
Okay,
I'm gonna have you back on April the 26th at 8:30 for a pre-trial.
26 at 2:30?
At 8:30.
Oh, 8:30, sorry about that.
All right, you have any questions, sir?
Yes, can you just repeat the case number again one more time, just so I can verify it?
You repeat it.
SP 139464002?
Correct.
Okay,
All right.
Okay.
You don't have further questions, sir. You're gonna be free to leave, come back with, hopefully you come back with a valid license.
okay.
All
I
right,
will.
come back
Yes,
on
sir.
April the 26th at 8:30.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Very well, have a great day.
You too, thank you.
City of Detroit, Aaron Flores.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Aaron Flores.
Sí. Presente.
You need an interpreter, sir?
¿Necesita intérprete, señor?
Sí, por favor.
Yes, please.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Aaron Luna Flores, case number SP 140-89031. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Aaron Luna Flores, SP 1408931. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Flores, Your Honor.
Soy Bob Serranic representando al señor Flores, su señoría.
All right. Mr. Flores, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Are you a United States citizen, sir?
Señor Flores, este es el día y esta es la hora que teníamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Señor, ¿es usted ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
No, señoría.
No, Your Honor.
All right, this offer is going to be allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, 12 hours of community service. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Zaranick, and he's going to go over that offer for you. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir.
Bien, así que entonces la oferta a usted es una reducción al cargo de que le permite a una persona sin licencia a conducir. Le voy a pedir 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Lo voy a pasar a una sala de reunión privada para que pueda hablar con el señor Zaranick con respecto a esta oferta y sus derechos. Ok.
Join the room, please.
Váyase por favor a la sala cuando reciba la invitación.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus David Plowcheck. Case number SP 142-98621, SP 142-98741, V 100-86416, 19-465-9901. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Plowcheck, can you state your name for the record, please?
David Plowicki.
Plowicki, I'm sorry, Plowicki. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrants. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, waive former reading, stand mute, continue a plea of not guilty.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. recall the warrants. And at this time, he's got a driver while license revoked. What I can do is I can set a trial date, and the other two cases are old. He's got the failure to use care and driving while license revoked. And we can get him an offer on the date of trial if he wants to do that.
Well, okay, I think that's best because we would have to require the witness to appear, meaning the officer. And if he does appear, we can potentially reach some type of plea, and he does fail to appear, then we can potentially dismiss it at that time.
Okay,
All right, I'm gonna
I
set
agree
a
with
trial.
that.
I bet he does. I'm gonna set a trial date for April the 12th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right, Mr. Plowcheck.
Plawicki,
Plawicki. I've got it in my head and now I can't get it out. Plawicki.
9 a.m. on the 23rd.
Oh, no. 9 a.m. on the 12th, 2023.
9/23?
Yeah, April the 12th, 2023.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
We on the same page, Mr. Plawicki?
Yep, April 12th at 9 o'clock.
And I got it right that time, didn't I?
Yes.
It's I see it's pronounced just like it's spelled, so I shouldn't get it wrong. All right.
Yeah.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Plawicki, you have a very good day. Good luck to you. I'll see you back on April the 12th, all right, 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Good day.
You too.
All right. Brian Hernandez.
How you doing, Your Honor?
You don't need good morning. You don't need an interpreter, do you?
No, sir.
City of Detroit versus Brian Hernandez, case number SP 1402233, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 143, strike that, SP 14235203. SP 1429992, counts 1 and counts 2. Then SP 1429991. In SP 143295541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record. Mr. Hernandez, please state your name for the record.
Oh, Brian Hernandez.
Thank you, sir.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, for purposes of arraignment, waive formal reading, stand mute, continue a plea of not guilty, please.
When are not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And for these matters, let's offer him in the park after dark. You know, he has an absolute right to a trial, but in the park after dark, we'll plead as charged. And then for the no insurance misdemeanor, or let's just say improper plate, straight up plead guilty to that. And both the matters will 12 hours of community service for each, for a total of 24 hours of community service, and we'll dismiss the other matters. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. Let me put you in the breakout room with counsel so you can speak to him about it. If he wants to take the deal, please read him his advice or rights.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Very well.
Please accept the prompt, Mr. Hernandez.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Aaron Flores. Mr. Flores, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver al caso de el Aaron Flores. Señor Flores, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
We'd like to take that offer, Judge.
a él le gustaría aceptar la oferta que se le ha propuesto su señoría.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Flores?
¿Y es eso lo que usted quiere hacer, señor Flores?
Sí, estoy de acuerdo.
Yes, I'm in agreement.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Ready, listo.
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí,
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir.
Ya puede bajar la mano, señor.
All right, sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty is, for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y señor, ¿comprende usted que la pena máxima posible en su caso serían 93 días en la cárcel y $500 en multas? ¿Comprende
Sí.
usted eso? Yes,
entiendo.
I understand.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio.
Sí,
Yes.
The counsel went over the other your constitutional rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, su abogado revisó otros derechos constitucionales con usted, ¿no es cierto?
sí,
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
sí.
Yes.
Entendí.
Yes, I did understand.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta con respecto a esos derechos?
No, por el momento no.
No, not at the moment. No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights if you take this deal.
¿Y sabe usted que usted va a renunciar a esos derechos si usted acepta este acuerdo de culpabilidad?
Sí, estoy dispuesto a renunciar.
Yes, I am willing.
Right, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya se ha dicho que consta en el acta?
No, por el momento no.
No, not at the moment.
All right, I'm going to draw your attention back to February 2nd, 2023 at around 11:24 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Junction and Verner Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces le llamo la atención usted a la fecha del 2 de febrero del 2023, aproximadamente a la hora de las 11:24 de la noche. ¿Estaba usted en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Junction y Verner, cuando se encontró con un policía del departamento de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí,
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
¿Estaba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado ese día?
sí,
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y ese policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia de conducir que estuviera válida o vigente?
sí,
Yes.
Let me ask you, are you a United States citizen, Mr. Flores?
Y permíteme preguntarle, señor Flores, ¿es usted ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
no, no soy.
No, I am not.
You understand a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
¿Y comprende usted que una condena de un delito menor puede causarle consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí,
Yes.
All right, and you couldn't produce that license, could you that day?
¿Y ese día usted no pudo enseñar una licencia de conducir?
no puedo enseñar una licencia válida.
Repita, repeat.
No pude enseñarle una licencia válida.
No, I was unable to show him a valid driver's license.
Why is that?
¿Y por qué es eso?
Porque no la tengo. No es válida
Because-
para el estado.
Because I don't have one. I don't have one that's valid for the state.
Okay, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, order him to do 12 hours of community service. And with that, I'll dismiss the case upon completion. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Bien, así que acepto la declaración de culpable de su cliente al cargo modificado de que le permitió a una persona sin licencia a conducir y le voy a pedir a él que cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario y ese cargo quedaría desestimado una vez que él las haya cumplido. Necesito, señor, que me dé un buen número de teléfono para usted.
313-719-9336.
Repita 93.
9336.
Gracias. 313-719-9336.
All right, and I need you to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. That's 313-879-2155. I'm going to give you till March the 26th, April the 26th, 2023 to complete it. That'll be a review date at 8:25.
313-879-2155. Necesito, señor, que usted apunte ese número y que los llame a ellos para hacer los arreglos para las horas de servicio comunitario. Le voy a permitir usted hasta el 26 de abril del 2023 para que cumpla esas horas. Y necesito que regrese a la corte el 26 de abril del 2023 a las 8:25 de la mañana para que podamos confirmar que usted ha cumplido esas horas.
Ok, ¿me puede repetir el número?
Yes, and could you repeat the number?
Trace 819-2155.
313-879-2155.
Ok,
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon over there and set up
Bien.
those out.
Y si no tiene algo adicional que decir, señor, le pido que usted llame ese número esta tarde y que pida hablar con el señor Phillips.
señor Phillips.
Mr. Phillips?
Sí.
Yes.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you so very much.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Que pase usted buen día, señor, y le deseo buena suerte.
Igualmente, cuídense mucho. Hasta luego.
Same to you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
All right, Mr. Hernandez, you there?
Yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Brian Hernandez. Let me stop. Let me put Mr. Miguel Munoz in the breakout room. Who's available for counsel?
Vamos
You're
a
on
pasar a Miguel Muñoz un
You're
cuarto.
Mr. Zaranick, or, oh no, yeah, Mr. Zaranick.
I'm available, Judge.
Yeah, go in the breakout room with Mr. Miguel Munoz and Mrs. Villaroo. His offer is going to be improper place, 12 hours of community service will dismiss upon payment, all right?
Okay,
I mean, upon completion of the community
completion.
service.
Yeah, okay.
Join the breakout room, Mr. Miguel Munoz.
Señor Miguel Muñoz, nos van a pasar una sala privada.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Brian Hernandez. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Hernandez would like to schedule this matter for a bench trial requiring the witness to be present.
All right. That's what you want to do to Mr. Hernandez?
Mr. Hernandez, the judge is speaking with you, sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date for April the 12th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you too.
All right. Mr. This is, Miranda Ortiz. Leobardo,
Yo,
do you need an interpreter, sir?
sí,
Okay, hold on a second. What about Oscar Gunn?
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gunn.
Good morning. How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm very well. Oh, I got it backwards. City of Detroit versus Oscar Gunn. Case numbers. Oscar Gunn III. Case numbers SP 1306767, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 130709991. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Mr. Gunn. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Oscar Gunn III.
All right, today is, good morning, Mr. Gunn. Today is the date and time set for show cause in the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, for purposes of show cause, we ask the court to set aside any warrants, continuous plea of not guilty.
And not guilty plea on the client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gunn, what's going on with your license?
Your Honor, all I have to do is take my road test and pay for my reinstatement fee. I ran out of money. Gonna take me like not this check, maybe next check to do that. I took the written test and passed. Yes, that'd be correct. Yes, sir.
Come back pre-trial on 4/27/2023 at 8:30. All right.
Okay.
Bring if you have that license, bring $175 with you too. We'll clear this limited access up. All right.
Okay, no problem, Your Honor.
There's nothing further, Mr. Gunn. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Same to you, and thank you. You have a nice day too, Your Honor.
Very well. Ms. Kayla Glover.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Turn your camera on, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Kayla.
Yes.
Janae Glover, case number SP 1392290, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Ms. Glover. Ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Kayla Glover.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, Ms.
Your
Glover,
Honor.
good morning to you. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, for purposes of show cause, we're just asking the court to set aside any outstanding warrants, please.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I sent you a message. Do you have registration and insurance on this vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me that, please?
Yes, I can. I'm not sure how to turn the camera on, but it's right
Just
there.
hold it up. Let's see if we can see it like that. Push it closer to the screen. All right. I'm satisfied with that. Go ahead on the other case, ma'am. Let's see the insurance. Let's see the insurance, please.
It's on my phone.
I'm gonna send my name in the chat. I'm gonna put my information in the chat. You can email it to me.
Okay.
And once I get that email, we will recall the case, all right?
Okay.
All right. All right, Miss Mayara. Let me see.
Myra.
Myra?
Lewis, last name.
Lewis, okay, I see. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Myra Lewis, case number SP 1250964, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 125104661. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Bureau appearing on behalf of Miss Myra. Ma'am, please say your name for the record.
Myra Lewis.
Thank you, Miss Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, waive former reading, stand mute, continue a plea of not guilty, please.
All right, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lewis, do you have valid registration and a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Run her driver's license, please.
Ma'am, can you please produce the license and the
I'll take care of the license. Let's see the insurance.
The insurance? Oh, well, it's on my phone.
I'm gonna, my email address is in the chat. You can email me that, like, Miss Glover.
Yes.
So I'm waiting on 2 emails. If the license is good and the insurance is, I'm satisfied with the insurance. You live in Southwest Detroit, ma'am?
Who, me?
Miss Lewis.
No, I don't.
All right, I'll for this improper this defective light. Do you still drive this vehicle?
Yeah, I filed an appeal for that.
Let me ask you, ma'am. Let's just. I see you have it in another court. Do you have why did you file the appeal?
Because that's what I was told to do when I called in to try to take care of everything. They told me to set a court date for the. May you repeat that?
What are you appealing?
For the defective equipment, because I had the receipt. She told me to bring in the receipt because I got it fixed.
And do you have it with you now?
No, I already I already like gave it to the lady and she like stamped it to the paper.
So you actually brought a receipt in?
Yeah, to the down to 36. And she stamped it on the paper.
When did you do that?
I think like on the 14th of March. The beginning of this month for sure.
License good? Yeah, valid. Insurance, do you have the insurance?
Yes, I'm filling it up now to email it over to you.
All right, very well. I'll pass the matter. All right, get those documents. Make a decision. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus this is the city of Detroit versus Jose Domingo Munez Islas.
Así que se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus José Domingo Muñoz Islas.
Sí.
Case number SP case number say pay 1-421-09-9. I'm sorry. I have to say it anyway, Ms. Williams. SP 142-13091.
Se llama el caso P 1421391. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Sí. José Domingo Muñoz Islas.
Yes, José Domingo Muñoz Islas.
All right, today is the date and time set for trial in the matter. We did have Officer Shanty appear. And I believe on this one, he had no recollection, if I'm correct.
Sí, así que este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener un juicio, y el policía Shanty se presentó y dijo que no recordaba el incidente.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant, Judge.
Y yo soy Bob Zaranick representando al acusado, su señoría.
We are ready to proceed with trial, Judge. My understanding, the prosecution did not want to go forth with this matter. We'd move for dismissal.
Nosotros estamos listos, su señoría, para proceder a juicio, pero tengo entendido que la fiscalía no quería proceder con este caso. Por esa razón, pido yo que desestimen los cargos.
Case is going to be dismissed. If there's nothing further, Mr. Munoz Islas, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Así que el caso queda desestimado. Si no hay nada más, le deseo buen día y mucha suerte a usted, señor José Muñoz Islas.
Igualmente. Muchas gracias.
And thank you very much.
Good day.
Buen día.
Igualmente.
This is the city of Detroit versus Miguel Angel Munoz Islas. Case number SP 141-6603, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Y ahora llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Miguel Ángel Muñoz Islas. Números de caso SP 141-6603, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Miguel Ángel Muñoz Islas.
Miguel Ángel Muñoz Islas.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Munoz Islas, Your Honor. There is an offer in this matter, Judge.
Y su señoría, tenemos una oferta para este caso.
It is set for trial today. The officer did appear. The offer is to dismiss the open alcohol matter.
Tenías fijado para hoy tener un juicio, pero el policía se presentó. Así que tenemos una oferta para desestimar el cargo de que había alcohol abierto.
And reduce the no insurance to improper plates.
Y reducir el cargo de que no tenía seguro, que tenía las placas incorrectas.
He'd like to take that offer, Judge.
Él quiere aprovecharse de esa oferta, su señoría.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Munoz Islas?
Yes.
¿Y es cierto, señor Muñoz Islas, que usted quiere aceptar este acuerdo de culpabilidad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
All right, sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y señor, ¿comprende usted que la pena máxima posible en estos casos es 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Zaranick in the breakout room went over some of the other advice or rights, did he not?
Y el señor Sarane, cuando estaban en la sala de consulta privada, revisó con usted otros derechos constitucionales que usted tiene, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any question about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta con respecto a sus derechos?
No.
No.
And you know you're going to give up those rights when you take this plea?
¿Y reconoce usted que usted renuncia a sus derechos cuando usted acepte este acuerdo de culpabilidad?
Sí.
Yes.
Right. Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya se ha dicho y que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February 5th, 2023 at around 12:18 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Central and Pitt Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 5 de febrero del 2023, aproximadamente a las 12:18 de la madrugada en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de Central, de las calles de Central y Pitt. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de policía de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle, operating a motor vehicle that day, sir?
¿Estaba usted dentro de un vehículo motorizado o manejando un vehículo motorizado ese día, señor?
Sí, estaba dentro de un vehículo.
Yes, I was inside of the vehicle.
In the driver's seat of the vehicle, correct?
¿Está usted sentado en el lado que es del chofer del vehículo? ¿Es eso correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you were the driver of that vehicle, right?
Y usted fue el chofer de ese vehículo, ¿es verdad?
No, no estaba manejando. Yo nomás estaba sentado.
I was not driving. I was just seated there.
You drove the vehicle there, did you? Is that
Pero
correct?
usted manejó el vehículo hasta ese lugar, ¿no es cierto?
No, ahí estaba mi hermano. El coche es de mi hermano. Él es el que tiene la licencia y todo.
No, my brother was there. The car belongs to my brother. I was just seated there.
In the driver's seat?
Usted estaba sentado en el asiento que le pertenece al chofer.
Sí.
Yes.
Was the car running?
¿Y el motor estaba corriendo?
No, estaba apagado cuando ellos llegaron.
No, the car was off, was not running when he got there.
All right. Do you have insurance for this vehicle?
¿Y tiene usted seguro para este vehículo?
No.
No.
I don't know how to deal with that, Ms. Schneider.
La verdad, señora Schneider, es que yo no sé cómo bregar con este caso.
Alexis Schrader for the people, P80322. The officer was present, Your Honor. We thought he was taking the deal, so we released the officer. I'd ask if we reset it for trial.
Su señoría, soy Alexa Schneider, número de fiscal de abogada P80322. Su señoría, este es el día que teníamos para un juicio. El policía estaba presente. Yo le di permiso al que el policía se fuera porque yo pensaba que este acusado iba a aceptar el acuerdo de culpabilidad, pero pienso que ahora que necesitamos fijar una fecha para tener un juicio.
I don't know if we have to go all the way there. What I'm trying to ascertain is the fact that he's in the driver's seat. He says the car is not running. I just want to make a clean record.
Judge, it's my understanding.
Hold on, Mr. Grant.
Yeah.
No creo que tenemos que llegar a este punto. Yo estoy tratando de averiguar la situación. Sé que él estaba en el asiento del chofer y sé que el motor no estaba corriendo.
Judge, it's my understanding he was in the driver's seat with the ability to operate the vehicle. We went over that.
reconocido que él
He
estaba en el
understands,
y que tenía la capacidad, la habilidad de mover el vehículo.
he understands that that makes him the operator of the motor vehicle.
Y él entiende que tan solo con eso ya se puede considerar que él es el chofer del vehículo.
And therefore responsible for what goes on in the vehicle.
Y por eso responsable de lo que ocurra con el vehículo.
Okay, I think he's willing to accept responsibility. I don't think that that's the question. It was me wanting to make sure that the record was clear.
No, yo sé que él está, yo pienso que él está dispuesto a aceptar responsabilidad. Es tan solo yo que quería asegurarme que el acta quedaría claro con todos los datos.
So when I went over that with him, Judge, he was willing to accept responsibility and wanted to accept this offer.
Así que cuando yo revisé todo eso con él, su señoría, él me dijo que estaba dispuesto a aceptar responsabilidad, a aceptar el acuerdo de culpabilidad.
All right, based on the fact that he acknowledged that he was, could not provide valid insurance, then I'll find him guilty of the amended count of improper plates. That is a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. It is a misdemeanor, but I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon completion of 12 hours of community service.
Así que, reconociendo que él reconoció que no tenía seguro de vehículo, yo voy a aceptar la declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de que tenía las placas incorrectas. Este cargo conlleva 0 puntos en la licencia de conducir. No se le va a divulgar a la Secretaría del Estado y aunque es un delito menor, va a quedar desestimado una vez que haya cumplido sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Okay.
Okay.
With a stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matter.
Y si usted está de acuerdo de que hay caso razonable, el otro cargo queda desestimado ahora mismo.
We stipulate, Judge.
Sí, así lo estipuló su señoría.
That stipulation. I'm going to order you to do the 12 hours of community service. I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Munoz.
Así que con esa estipulación yo voy a ordenar, señor, que usted cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario, señor Muñoz. Necesito que me dé un buen número de teléfono para usted.
Ok, es 313-244-9320.
Okay, it's 313-244-9320.
Okay, and the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center is 313-879-2155.
313-879-2155. Ese es el número para el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Ok, es 313-879-2155.
Okay, and I just want to check, you said 313-879-2155?
Correct.
Correct.
Okay.
And I'll give you till April the 26th, 2023 to complete those at 8:25. Get in contact with Mr. Phillips this afternoon, please.
Bien, y le voy a permitir usted hasta el 26 de abril del 2023 para que cumpla esas horas de servicio comunitario. Necesita volver a comparecer el 26 de abril a las 8:25 de la mañana para que yo pueda confirmar que usted las cumplió. Necesita llamar usted a ese número y pida hablar con el señor Phillips para hacer los arreglos para las horas de servicio comunitario.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
If you don't have any further questions, sir, you and your brother have a very good day. Good luck to you both.
¿Tiene alguna pregunta, señor? Que usted y que su hermano tengan buen día y buena suerte.
Ok, gracias igualmente.
Okay, thank you. Same to you.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Kayla Glover. Ms. Glover, I've received that email for the insurance. So at this time, I am satisfied you provided me valid registration and insurance. I'm satisfied. I'm going to dismiss your cases, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you. I still haven't received Mrs. Lewis information yet. And as soon as I get that, I can call that case and get you out of here. In the meantime, let's call the city of Detroit versus D'Abrado, Miranda Ortiz, case number SP 143-8792, counts 1, 2, and 3, and appearance for the record, please.
Ya vamos a ver el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Leobardo Miranda Ortiz. Números de caso SP143-8792, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Me llamo Leobardo Lorenzo Miranda Ortiz.
My name is Leobardo Lorenzo Miranda Ortiz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. Ortiz.
Buenos días, su señoría. Soy el abogado Ali Berro, representando al señor Ortiz.
All right, today is the date and time set. Good morning to you, Mr. Ortiz. Today is the date and time set for arraignment. As for purposes of arraignment, go ahead, Mel.
Señor Miranda Ortiz, este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos en su caso.
Sí.
Mira, una pregunta.
For purposes of arraignment, wait for more reading stem, you continue a plea of not guilty, Your Honor.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, denunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente. Vamos a continuar con una declaración de no culpable y guardamos silencio, su señoría.
Okay, with that, I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Ortiz?
Así que con eso voy a aceptar la declaración de no culpable de su cliente y le voy a dar una fianza de $0. Dígame, ¿tiene usted licencia válida, señor Ortiz?
Yo no tengo licencia.
I don't have a driver's license.
I'm going to offer him an allowing, dismiss the other 2 counts, 12 hours of community service, dismissal and completion. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with counsel, and he can go over that offer and your advice and rights if you want to take the deal. Let him know he has an absolute right to a trial.
Así que lo vamos a pasar a una sala de consulta para que hable con su abogado con respecto a esta oferta. Yo le propongo a usted esta oferta, reducir los cargos a que usted le permitió a una persona sin licencia a conducir, entonces los otros cargos quedan desestimados. Le pediría 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Van a pasar ahora para poder hablar más de este acuerdo. Pasen a una sala, por favor.
Yo voy a pasar a la sala con un abogado para ver.
So I'm going to go and speak with an attorney in a room.
That's correct.
Sí.
I'll be in breakout room number 2, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Myra Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've received your information about the insurance. I've seen the documentation for your, I do have a valid driver's license for you. I'm going to cut you a break this time. I do see that you were telling the court you did file that appeal 20, and it was granted. Not an appeal. I'm not going to say you filed a motion to set aside default.
Oh, yeah.
And in that motion, those motions are typically not granted, but I usually set aside the default, and this is one of the cases that I would set aside the default anyway, because you got the ticket. Let's see. the allegations were made on September 17th, 2021. They didn't get to our system until March the 14th, 2022. So you're supposed to make a court date on a civil infraction within 14 days. And you would have never been able to do that in 14 days, 90 days, or practically almost 180 days. And you could have done it in 180 days because it was 3 days before 180 days. But I'm going to dismiss the matters. And you indicated to court that you got the light fixed, all right?
Yeah.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
All right, Mrs. Riviera, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Turn your camera on, please. Don't need an interpreter on. Do you need an interpreter?
No, I do not.
All right, very well. Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Gisele Leah Rivera. Case number SP 1437125, count 123. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zerani
Gisele
for Mr. Rivera. Please state your name, ma'am.
Gisele Rivera.
All right, today is the date and time set for a arraignment, counselor.
As to the arraignment, Judge, we waive the formal reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client. You have given your client a $0 bond. Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
No, not at the moment. I do not.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yes, I am.
Why don't you have a license?
So I just currently lost my job, so I just been trying to get everything situated with my car.
Well, you got a car, right?
Yes.
And you went and got you a car without getting a driver's license?
I filed for my permit, so.
Let's see. Runner license, please. Let's see what you have. But how long have you had the car?
I just now recently just got it about like a month ago.
When you got these tickets?
Yeah.
Do you have insurance on the car?
No, not at the moment. I'm working on it.
So you just riding dirty then, huh? Don't answer that. You gotta go get a license, ma'am. I'm gonna give you 30 days. 30 days, get a license, go get a job. Don't drive the car. Get valid driver's license and insurance, all right?
Okay.
All right, do you have any further questions, ma'am? Come back on, let's give her a little bit more time. You gotta get a job. Let's give you a little more time. Let's give you 60 days. Come back on May the 31st, all right? 2023 at 8:30. Bring license, registration, and insurance. Do you care to share to the court what happened with your job? Do you care to share that with the court?
Due to no transportation.
Where do you work?
It's called a place called My Locker, Rosa Parks Boulevard. So I've been taking lifts back and forth, but since the pay rate is not much, so I have to I pay my bills, and then I have a daughter to take care of as well. So I'm a single parent.
So why couldn't you take the bus?
Cause I'm sure you gotta pay for the bus too as well, right?
Way cheaper than a lift. What's the bus fare now? About $1.25, maybe? The buses doesn't suit you, huh?
No.
Well, I think you're gonna have to, well, that's what it is, isn't it? Who's that in the background?
It's my mother.
Can you put your mom on, please?
Hello?
Hello, Mom.
Yes, hi.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Tomas Alejandro.
All right, it sounds like you've had this conversation with your daughter.
Oh, yeah. She knows what to do, but I told her to tell you her shift was the third shift, so she was getting off at 4:30 in the morning. The lifts got dangerous for her. People were starting to stalk her because how little and cute she is. But I mean, it's pretty dangerous out there for her to just jump on the bus at that time. I mean, but she's, huh?
Did she ever catch the bus there then?
She could have took it there, yeah, at 4:00 p.m.
She never did take it there, did she?
She's never been on a city bus, never. So
Never
that would be her first issue. Like, where do I go? What do I do? She recently did the.
Let me say that. That's not hard, man. You can go right online and they can get you, you can put your destination in and they'll tell you exactly what buses to take. The issue is that she's just not, she's too cute to get on the bus, isn't she?
I don't know. She's only 4'6".
But she's too cute in her eyes to get on the bus.
Yeah, she said yeah.
They'll let her ride at 4'6".
They sure will. She failed her permit also. She didn't want to tell you. No, you have to tell her.
She's gonna go back.
Yeah, she's gonna go back today.
All right, tell her that May the 31st, 2023, Miss Rivera, come back May the 31st, 2023, study for that test, take the course, bring valid driver's license and insurance and registration, all right?
Okay.
Good luck to you, ma'am. Thank you, Mom. Very good day. Hope you have a very good day.
Thank you, you too.
All right. All right. Mr. Barry.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm come in because I spoke to your clerk last afternoon regarding People versus Marvin Green. And we're scheduled, or my documents indicate that we're scheduled for a pretrial hearing tomorrow morning. And that apparently the court had other dates. And so I'm here today should we show up tomorrow morning? I indicated to your clerk that we don't have discovery as yet.
Well, Mr. Green didn't show up yesterday, did he?
No, and he didn't because the reason he didn't is because I gave him the date of tomorrow, the 30th.
Okay, so you've been in contact with him?
Oh, yes, yes.
Very well. That's the only real issue. I think that we're gonna give you a pretrial date, another pretrial date, cancel that trial date. Did you give him another pretrial date? Yeah, I gave him one. April 28th. Is that the date you have?
It is now, Your Honor.
April 28th, 8:30. We'll see you back then, Mr. Barrett.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you to your clerk also.
Very well. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ortiz. Mr. Ortiz, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel and breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Así que volvemos al señor Ortiz. Señor Ortiz, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala de consulta privada. Abogado, dígame qué quiere hacer su cliente.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Ortiz would like to avail himself of the offer indicated by the court.
Su señoría, en este momento el señor Ortiz quiere aceptar la oferta que la corte le ha propuesto.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please, sir?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor, señor?
Other right.
La otra derecha.
Do you swear? No, the other right.
No, la otra mano derecha.
Perdón,
Sí.
perdón.
I'm sorry.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, lo juro.
Yes, I swear it.
Now you can put your hand down, sir.
¿Ya puede bajar la mano, señor?
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted que la pena máxima posible en su caso serían 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en costos y multas?
Sí,
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio.
sí,
Yes.
You understand, Mr. Rio went over your other constitutional rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y es cierto que su abogado, el señor Vero, revisó todos sus derechos constitucionales con usted en la sala de consulta.
sí,
Yes.
You understand those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió esos derechos?
sí, está bien.
Yes, yes, yes. It's okay.
You have any question about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta con respecto a esos derechos?
No,
Yes, I don't.
And you understand you'll be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
¿Y comprende usted que usted va a renunciar a esos derechos cuando usted acepte este acuerdo de culpabilidad?
sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we stated that we'll do today?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido algo a usted diferente de lo que ya hemos dicho y que conste en el acta hoy?
No,
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to March the 3rd, 2023 at around 1:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Lafayette and Green Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que, señor, quiero ahora llamarle la atención a la fecha del 3 de marzo del 2023 a la 1:39 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Lafayette y Green. ¿Tuvo usted la oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de la ciudad de Detroit?
sí,
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
¿Y ese día iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
sí,
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y el policía le pidió usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir?
sí me pidió.
¿Cómo? Excuse me?
Sí, sí me lo pidió.
Yes, he did ask me for that.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no se la pudo enseñar, ¿no es cierto, señor?
Sí, yo no se la pude enseñar porque no lo tengo.
Yes, I couldn't show him one because I don't have one.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That is a misdemeanor, but I'll dismiss it upon completion of 12 hours of community service. And that is 0 point offense, would not abstract to the Secretary of State. with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other 2 counts now.
Así que acepto su declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de que le permitió a una persona sin licencia conducir. Esto es un delito menor, pero va a quedar desestimado una vez que usted haya cumplido las 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Este cargo lleva 0 puntos en su licencia de conducir y no se le va a divulgar a la Secretaría del Estado. Y si hay causa razonable, y su abogado va a estipular que hay causa razonable, los otros 2 asuntos quedarían desestimados en este momento.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
All right, I need a good phone number from you, sir, please.
Bien, necesito, señor, que usted me dé a mí un buen número de teléfono para usted. Por favor.
Sí.
Yes.
313 721 6320.
Yes, 313-721-6320.
Had it. Very well. I'm gonna tell you to get in contact with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. When you get off the phone now, call them at 879-2155.
313-879-2155. Yo quiero que tan pronto terminemos aquí, que usted llame al número 313-879-2155 para que hable con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit para que haga los arreglos para las horas de servicio que va a cumplir.
Sí.
Yes.
Let me ask you this. Are you in the driver's seat of a car now, sir?
Permíteme hacerle esta pregunta ahora. ¿Usted está ahora en el asiento del chofer de ese vehículo, señor?
No, vine a la oficina a preguntar sobre el caso y pues me hicieron favor de traer y pues por eso estoy en el auto porque me vinieron a dejar.
Your Honor, I'm going to ask him to repeat his response with your permission.
Yes.
Part of it was muffled. Señor, quiero que hable claro y repítame su respuesta. ¿Está usted sentado en el asiento de chofer?
Sí.
Yes.
What are you doing in the driver's seat and you don't have a valid driver's license?
¿Y qué hace usted sentado en el asiento del chofer cuando usted no tiene licencia de conducir?
Nada, solo estoy aquí porque adentro no hay silencio y pues me vine aquí.
No, I'm just here because inside it's not quiet and so I came here.
Well, weren't you sitting in the passenger seat earlier and somebody was sitting next to you in the driver's seat?
Pero anteriormente no estaba usted sentado en el asiento del pasajero y había otra persona sentada en el asiento del chofer. ¿No fue así?
Cambiamos de lugar.
Yes, we switched places.
All right, we'll switch places again, sir. Get out of the driver's seat of the car.
Pues le pido que cambien de lugar de nuevo, señor. Usted sálgase de ese asiento de chofer.
Sí, está bien. Permítame.
That's fine. Give me a moment.
Ahora sí.
Okay, now.
All right, you're not supposed to drive, sir. If you get caught driving again, I'm not going to give you a deal next time. You hear me?
Bien, usted no está supuesto a estar manejando, señor. Y si lo vuelven a agarrar manejando, señor, yo no le voy a dar a usted una oferta. ¿Me entiende?
Sí, entendido.
Yeah.
All right, the review date is going to be April 26, 2023 at 8:25. Get those community service hours done. We'll close this matter out. You don't have any further questions. You have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Bien, así que el día que necesita presentarse en la corte de nuevo es el 26 de abril del 2023 a las 8 y 25 de la mañana. Es el día del reviso de su caso. Usted necesita haber completado las horas de servicio comunitario antes del 26 de abril. Si las ha completado y usted comparece este día, el caso queda cerrado. Si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, le deseo a usted muy buen día y le deseo buena suerte.
Sí, está bien. Gracias.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Y si no hay nada más, que tenga muy buen día.